Okay, I just fired it up. Choke's on. Idle was originally set at about 1500. Smoke to speak of. Try to give it some gas. Now I'll take the choke off. That's actually the first time I got it to rev. Before it just died.